How you doing? Wait right there. Don't try to run. Don't do anything.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay. Who are you with? Where are you
Nobody.
walking to?
I'm just walking.
Okay, that's fine. We're gonna put your phone down here. All right. So you're gonna be detained really quick then.
Okay.
All right. You know why you're being detained?
No.
You just try to walk out of Home Depot with a whole bunch of product. You're on camera. Okay.
Okay.
So you have no one else with you.
No.
Okay. You sure? Because if there's cameras and there's a car, we're gonna make contact with them. So don't lie.
By myself.
Okay. You're by yourself?
Yeah.
All right. Alpha 2 Zen Club.
Oh yeah, that's you. Oh yeah, that's you.
Change the call to signal
I'll have
36.
to go open on the side.
Just show one
she
white
has-
female,
she probably
approximately
has,
50 years
I don't have a getaway car. I walk.
You
And
didn't walk.
I got dropped
You
off.
didn't walk last time.
I dropped off.
I'll see where you are.
I apologize. Log one white female detained at this time. She's saying that she walked.
I walked. I got dropped off. I just got dropped off.
You got dropped off?
Yes.
Where's the car?
They left. They just dropped me off.
Yeah. All right, man. Come on. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go around. You got anything on you?
No.
Okay. Right there. All right. Hey, I'm hot. I got one detained. I'm gonna be on the side by the LPO office with her. All right. You heard Palacio?
Who's taking it?
I'll take it. It is what it is. It's 4 o'clock. Maybe I can get by the time I'm done with it and all that, cause property and all that stuff. Maybe night shift can transport. So we'll see.
Alright,
Well,
let me know.
all right, bro. I'll see you if you head over here. I'll see you in a minute. Later. Alright, man. So I'm Officer Perez, St. Cloud Police Department. You know the reason why you're detained at this moment, okay? I have something to read to you, your rights, prior to asking you any questions. So I'm going to read you your rights, and then after that, we'll have a conversation if you're willing to, okay? So with that said, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you before and during questioning. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to you to represent you at county expense before any questioning, if you wish. If you give up your right to remain silent and later wish to stop asking questions, no further questions will be asked. Do you understand each of these rights as I explain them to you?
Yes.
By having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. So, with that said, it's 16, 18, 19. So, talk to me. Why are we here? What's going on?
Trying to pay my rent.
Okay. I'm trying to pay your rent. What'd you do? Talk to me.
I stole some stuff out of the store.
Okay. That was your intent? You came here knowing that you were gonna steal some stuff because you were trying to pay your rent, you're saying?
Yes.
Okay. Have you done this before?
No.
You have not. Wait. Let me
Yeah, I
read.
have
Wait.
done it before.
Okay, you've done
But
it
I
before.
don't have a petty theft. I've never done it.
Okay, so you've never been caught
charged.
doing it. You've never been charged.
I don't
doing
do it all the time. I've done it 3 times in my life.
Okay, 3 times in your life. Out of curiosity, have you done it to this store, or any Home Depot in this area? Before you answer that question,
Yeah, I've done it twice here, and that's it.
twice here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, when was the last time you did it here?
A couple weeks ago, I guess.
Okay. All right. Yeah, who are you doing it for? Well,
I'm doing it for me to pay my rent.
I understand that, but
Who are you taking the stuff to?
yeah, who are
I
you?
just randomly, I don't do it for nobody.
So you're just selling it, pawn
Yeah.
shops and things like that?
Not pawn shops, like people that I've asked them if they want it.
Okay. So you're telling me you were dropped off and that person's not going to come pick you up? Or was that person going to come pick you up?
No, they weren't.
So how were you going to get that product around?
What do you mean?
If you were literally going to walk out.
No,
I'm going to paint the picture for you. You were going to call a cab all of a sudden.
Yeah.
You have no money to pay your rent, but you were going to call a cab. But you also walked out. Okay, but you walked out and you were going to head straight that way towards the parked cars. Come on. I mean,
yeah, but what other way would I go to get out of the street?
All right, that's fine. You have an ID?
No.
No? Okay. I'm going to grab your name and date of birth then. You've ever had an ID issued to you?
Yeah.
All right. You know your social security number?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. That's perfect. Give me a moment once I get to that part, and I'll grab your social then. You have anything in that bag that's you're not supposed to have? Any illegal narcotics, any weapons, nothing like that? Just asking questions that we're supposed to ask, ma'am. All right. What's your social security number? Awesome. All right, just hang out here, Angela. Let me go in there, take care of what I need to take care of, and then I'll be back and talk to you. Do you like the window open or closed?
Open, it's hot.
Okay, no problem.
Because your middle window is closed, right?
Yeah.
That's why there needs to be coming out.
Yeah, I'm gonna open the little window in a second.
Down.
Yeah, so they can hit them.
You want to call Julio and ask him to stay so we can transfer both?
He's almost done with his already, but I'm gonna.
Yeah, he can stay.
Yeah, I'm gonna see.
You want to call?
Yeah, do you mind? And just hang out with her for a minute while I. Thank you. Before taxes, $16.74. After taxes, $22.18. But
$22?
no, $2,218.
What the heck was she doing?
She saws everything. Big. Yeah, it's felony. Like framing nailers and all that. Like, I don't know. I'll have to get you that information. I'll tell you. 15? Okay, so 1,500. What did he say?
No, I'm sorry.
Deal.
2500. Oh, he was trying to see if he can get one of them to take his.
Okay.
The midship to take his.
Okay. So then.
If you want to, I told him we'll be there in a few minutes to head over there and see whoever take his, take yours. Because he said he had dinner plans. If not, he'll do it.
Okay. Let me call Stocks.
For?
To let him know that I'm taking it, and then if
You're taking it, and you're gonna take his 10:15 one time.
Huh?
You're gonna take the
No, I'm gonna see if we can, because look what time it is. By the time I get back and do the report, if we can possibly have
someone transport.
Transport.
Is there a look on the computer to see if there's anyone available?
At this time, not right now. I'll decide that in a little bit. Anything in your purse, like I said, that I need to worry about? Because I'm going to go through your purse. Okay. No one's available.
Alright, so we don't have no choice.
No, it's
That
not.
ship is not going to be available until another hour and a half. So some of you guys are going to end up having to take it.
Someone's going to.
One out of you two might.
Yeah.
Just work late.
Let me run her 1017 and put in that she's the one that's detained and all that stuff. And then I gotta wait for the statement.
Doing that stuff. What's the report number? You sent them the link already?
No, I'm gonna do that right now.
Report number and
I'm sending the link, yeah. Yeah, signal 20 holding. Oh, here, claustrophobic, sorry. Alpha 2 St. Cloud. Just so you know, so you were getting hit with these charges. He's working on the other case from the other day. That was about $2,500 also. Yes, 100%. You're gonna have two different cases. So you're gonna have to see a judge in the morning, he's going to contact someone, and whether they put a warrant out for your arrest for the second one or they just serve you there. If they do it however they do it, since you'll already be at the jail, they're going to figure that out tomorrow. I'm just letting you know it's going to be a second one coming up. Okay? Alpha 2 St. Cloud 1087, 1065 ending.